Hello everyone, welcome back to IELTS Band 9 with Maria. There are 5 likes and dislike phrases in IELTS that make you and help you to get IELTS Band 9. The first one is not to say like, instead you can say something appeals to me. For example, something appeals to me in winter is the fact that I can ski more. Number 2, you can also say I get a lot of pleasure in doing something. For example, by playing sports. You can also say I am keen on doing something. For example, I'm keen on playing chess. You don't need to say that you like something. Instead, you can say I am fond of something. For example, I am fond of playing football. You can also say I am interested in doing something. For example, I'm interested in joining the IELTS classes. Make sure you subscribe IELTS Band 9 with Maria on YouTube and follow me on Instagram at IELTS.Band9.